Hello guys, welcome to KE Kitchen Cabinets channel. KE is the cabinetry manufacturer in China. My name is Eddy. I'm the sales manager at KE. Today we just finished the Quartz Stone countertop manufacturing for one of the recent building projects. Now let's take a look at the countertop, then do the quality inspection together. I will try my best to show you what the countertop quality is closely. Okay, let's go! KE Quartz Stone contains up to 90% natural quartz as a new type of non-radioactive artificial stone. Quartz is usually used in the interior decoration of new green buildings. Because of the production procession not only avoid producing large amounts of carbon dioxide and sewage, but also can reuse the waste stuff to be part of the raw material, such as the broken glass. It is an effective way to recycle the waste. With the feature of hardness and flexibility, Quartz Stone is resistant to abrasion, scratches, chipping off, breaking, high temperatures, frosting and defrosting, chemical products, accident dissolvent. Now let's start inspection. 1. Color and style. White with the stone gray familiar to granite. Thickness 20 mm quartz stone with 40 mm profile. Yes, it is okay. Overall size and countertop construction, same as drawing. Edge profile, yes, straight edge, same as the drawing. Exposed position of the countertop match with the manufacturing drawing. Exposed position of the countertop matching with the manufacturing drawing. Joint location. Good, it is okay. 2. Inspect the surface and the edge. None scratches, none scratches, none chipping off. Perfect. This video is almost done. At the end, I would like to say thank you for watching. I hope this video could make you know more about KE. KE is the cabinetry and countertop expert for building projects. We will keep updating the video about KE production per section and our new projects. See you next time.